Today I'm going to teach you how to close, end, or stop a form, survey, or quiz in Microsoft Forms. This is particularly useful when you want to control exactly when your form stops accepting responses, whether it's for a timed exam, a registration deadline, or a survey with a specific closing date. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms account. This will bring you to your Forms homepage where you can manage all your forms and quizzes. Once you're logged in, look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see options to create new content. Click on either New Quiz or New Form depending on what you're creating. If you already have an existing quiz or form that you want to set an end date for, you can simply click on it to open and edit it instead. Now, you'll see a field labeled Untitled Quiz at the top of your form. Click on this field and type in your title. This helps you identify your form later and gives respondents context about what they're filling out. Next, let's add a question to your form. Click on Quick Start With, which will display several question type options. Select your preferred question format from the choices available, such as choice, text, rating, date, or ranking. Each of these serves different purposes depending on what kind of information you're trying to collect. In the question field that appears, type your question. For example, you might ask something like, "What is the process by which plants make their own food?" This creates the actual question that respondents will see and answer. After typing your question, click Add Answer. This allows you to input the correct answer or the answer options depending on your question type. Type the correct answer in the field that appears, then click Add to confirm it. Now comes the crucial part for setting your form's closure. In the top toolbar, locate and click on Settings. This opens up all the configuration options for your form, including when it will be available to respondents. Within the Settings menu, navigate to Start Date. You'll see a checkbox beside its name. Check this box to activate the Start Date feature. Once checked, a calendar button will appear. Click on this calendar button to select your desired start date. After choosing the date, use the drop-down menu to select your preferred start time. This ensures your form only becomes active at exactly the right moment. Finally, navigate to End Date, which is the key setting for closing your form. Check the box beside End Date to enable this feature. Just like with the Start Date, click the calendar button that appears to select your end date. Then use the drop-down menu to choose your preferred end time. Once this end date and time are reached, Microsoft Forms will automatically stop accepting new responses, effectively closing your form without any additional action needed from you. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Microsoft Forms quiz or survey to automatically close at a specific date and time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.